arsehole because I'm driving in this lane, so I just want to prove a point that it's lazy driving because all I've got is cruise control and like I am pissing everybody off, but like this is what I'm just doing it as a demonstration of like people that don't give a shit. They just sit in this lane and think, oh, I'll just have to look in my rear view mirror and that's it, I'll be alright. But what you can't do that, so I'm going to stop doing that now. And probably like a bigger arsehole.
Pull over then. You actually said you would, and then you continue to be an arsehole.
Well, I thought over there.
And yeah. It's a bit like my Christmas presents. I just wonder how long it will be before she'll be in that middle lane again.
Well, I'm just proving a point.
Yeah. Which is?
Yeah.
That's the lane I should be in normally, but I don't normally go in it because I can't give a shit. I just want an easy ride.
No, that's what I was trying to prove.
Yeah, exactly. Trying to prove. What, for the last, 14 years?
Fuck you. Well, at the end of the day, it's easy driving.
Oh, no, yeah, you're the driver.
Yeah. Like I said, you're not dead yet.